SVSU has played an important role in my life. As an SVSU alumni and employee, I'm honored to be a recipient of the 2022 Outstanding Performance Award. I would like to thank Janet Ofori-Darko and the unbelievable team of simulation staff, nursing faculty, and HHS administration for nominating me for this award and for always supporting me and challenging me to grow. I'm grateful to work with amazing people who are more than colleagues. They're my work family. I've been fortunate to be involved in numerous exceptional opportunities as a simulation educator in the Nursing Simulation Center, including assisting with development of an electronic medical record, which is free to our nursing students, collaborating with numerous professions on campus to create interprofessional education experiences, and assisting with the process of first-time accreditation for our simulation center. The last few years have been challenging for everyone. I'm humbled by the resilience and grace I have witnessed in students and staff here at SVSU. Working with nursing students has always been rewarding, but watching them through the pandemic has been remarkable. I have always known we were educating competent and compassionate nurses at SVSU. This has been further validated through a recent personal experience. A close family member of mine required major surgery while COVID-19 cases were at an all-time high. Previous or current nursing students cared for my loved one during his entire hospital stay. On Thanksgiving Day, when he was transferred out of the ICU, I felt unbelievably thankful and reassured knowing he was receiving high-quality care. I'm incredibly proud to be a Cardinal, helping to educate our community's healthcare heroes.